Welcome to Decoding Helsing's Record Valuation, uncovering the story behind Europe's largest defense startup funding round. What drove this monumental leap? Let's dive in. Key highlights: $18 billion valuation, $1.8 billion raised, and a trio of co-founders now worth $2.3 billion each. The numbers are staggering, but what's the broader impact? The valuation figure that's making headlines: $18 billion. But how does this stack up against the backdrop of European startup funding records? Why this matters: Helsing's valuation isn't just a number. It signifies a shift in European defense innovation, backed by private investors in a Series E round. And if you're watching The Inference for the first time and you're into AI news, tools, and tech breakdowns, do hit subscribe. We drop a fresh one every day. Recent notable funding rounds in Europe paint a picture of growth. Helsing leads with $1.8 billion, followed by Quantum Systems' $1.2 billion. A new era of investment in defense tech is unfolding. A new era for European defense innovation. As stated by industry insiders, Helsing's round marks a pivotal moment, driven by rising military budgets and tech advancements. How does Helsing's $18 billion stack up against global peers? While Revolut aims for $115 billion and Mistral reportedly targets nearly $23 billion, Helsing dominates the European defense tech landscape. Growth potential highlights: with a 12.6% stake each, co-founders see their wealth surge. But the real growth story may lie in Helsing's future innovations and market expansion. Helsing leads Europe's $18 billion defense tech surge. As the continent's most valuable startup, all eyes are on what's next for this defense giant.